Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's brand new beautiful Mardi Gras. This particular category is a Carnival Excel Suite. You can book this right on harrtravel.com along with any room or suite on board. Now keep in mind we have those interactive deck plans. You can pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your family and take advantage of the signature Harr Travel service. Now let me show you what the suite is all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, I wanted to point out that they have this power saving device. Make sure and put your key card directly in there. That's going to activate all the lights and the plugs in the room. Right through here, you have a nice large walk-in closet area. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror right there. You're also going to have hanging storage on this side. Right here, you've got those comfy Carnival robes that come because you're part of a full suite. You got hanging storage up there. I also love that you can adjust the shelves as you'd like. You can put them down or up. More storage over here with the hanging storage. You've got your safe, perfect for a small device, passport, wallet, things like that. You have these drawers that slide out, really nice and convenient. There's two of them, and then the one at the bottom slides out as well. You've got a bit more storage over here in the corner. Now directly across, you're gonna find the large bathroom. As I step in here, you've got the toilet tucked to the corner. You're gonna have a large double vanity. You've got your backlit magnifying mirror right there. Storage up and down, a little bit of storage underneath as well. Now this shower is different than most on board. It is huge. You've got two rainforest shower heads up above. You got the car wash showers, those Swiss showers I always love. You've got the extra jets here. You got the same thing on the other side as well. You also have shower wands on either side. You can take advantage of those upgraded Elemis bath amenities. So now let's head into the main part of the room. Over here, you've got a backlit vanity right there. You're gonna have a large charging station with 3 US plugs and 4 USBs. You've got a chair there so you can get ready or use it as a writing desk. You've got your mini fridge underneath. You've got more drawers right there for storage and a little bit of storage up and down there as well. Now right here, you're gonna find the large bed. I love that it's put together right now here. It's a king size bed. You can separate it apart and also turn it into 2 twins if you prefer. You can put your luggage right underneath. And on either side, you're gonna have those side tables with reading lamps. And I love that the reading lamps have USB chargers on either side as well. Right here is a TV. Press the button and the TV is gonna come up. And there's also a second television as well. So right there you can see you've got another flat panel TV. It's interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching TV. You've got this booth style seating right here. You can take advantage of that expanded room service menu. And then over here you're gonna have the couch. It's gonna double as bedding as well. You've got another reading light over there with the USB. And this one has a Pullman bed up above as well that can come down so you can make it up for the family. Now we're out on your private veranda. You've got a dining table here with 4 chairs. Perfect place to play a game or take advantage of that room service menu. And then over here, you're gonna have 2 loungers. Got a couple cocktail tables. You can have a nice cup of coffee in the morning out here, or you can have a glass of wine or champagne in the evening. But what I love about this is it's your private space. You can take advantage of the incredible ocean views, sit back and relax, and enjoy everything that cruising has to offer. Now, when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite, make sure you do it on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans, pick the exact room or suite that you want for you, your friends, or your family, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity to craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.